This is a tornado in a bottle. Spinning the bottle in a circular motion creates a water vortex that looks like a mini tornado. The water is rapidly spinning around the center of the vortex due to a centripetal force. Vortexes are found in nature, including tornadoes, hurricanes, and waterspouts. Hello, penguins. It's Miss Pam, and I have Fina with me. And today we're going to show you how to make a tornado in a bottle. Can you see the tornado? There you go. See that? The white part in the middle. There you go. So this is an interesting activity. It's a sensory activity, a fun activity, and also a science activity that you could do with your children at home. It's very simple. Now this one is we used a glass jar to put our tornado in, and it's not going to be a good idea to leave this for the toddlers, huh? So we need to make one using a plastic bottle. So all you need is a plastic water bottle with a lid. Very important, the lid. A funnel, some water, some dish soap, and Fina's favorite, glitter. Okay. Now don't worry, because the glitter is just optional. If you don't have any glitter, it's fine. The main things that you need is water and dish soap. So we're going to show you how it's done. Okay. All right. So first, open the bottle. So now put the funnel. There you go. Now we need to pour this one in here slowly, up to this part. Okay, just 3/4 full. Slowly. Stop. There you go. Well done, thief. Okay. So now we need to put, what's next?
Soap.
Okay, just one drop. One drop. One drop. Oops, that's a lot. Okay, and now a little bit of glitter. Okay, just a little bit.
Just a tiny bit.
A little bit more. More. Okay, there you go.
There.
Is it pretty? All right, now fun part.
It's like falling out.
Close the lid. Come here. We need to shut it tight, okay? Is it tight enough?
I think.
Okay. Now we're gonna test it. So Fina's going to shake it and show it to the camera. Shake, 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 shake. Wow. You have to shake harder. You have to swirl it around. Swirl it around. So when they shake it around, they're going to exercise. Keep shaking. They're going to exercise their shoulder muscles, their arm muscles, and their finger muscles for their grip. Okay, let's see. Wow, look at that. So that's let's see if it works. Like this, making circles. It's pre-writing skills, right?
It's like
pre-writing
the
exercise.
dance making.
Are you ready?
With the starting.
Whoa! There it is. There's the vortex.
It's small.
Yeah. There's the tornado. Now let's try doing it upside down. How about that?
Yeah. Whoa! It's still going.
There you go. So this is a fun activity that you can do at home with your toddlers. And you can see they will learn a new word. Tornado. Ta-da! Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this activity together. Make fun memories. Bye.